Here we have a 71 plate Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo. Now this vehicle has a very big specification with over £19,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the fixed panoramic glass sunroof, the Burmester 3D surround sound system, 21-inch alloy wheels, the carbon on them just there. You also have the white Porsche brake calipers behind. Now we do also have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Porsche badging on the centre of the bonnet just there, and there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Taking a closer look, you find we have the top chargers on either side. We can tap underneath here and it will open them just like so. Tap again and it will then close just again. Got the black roof rails up top, another extra, along with the panoramic glass roof. Just look inside, you can see just there as well. Got the rear spoiler at the back. 360-degree cameras with a visual display inside, and the parking sensors of course as well. Power operated tailgate, and there's a look at that rear. Coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so coming into the back, you'll find we have the leather seats, Porsche logo on the headrests, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. We do have the 3 seats on the back here as well. Both the outer seats are heated with the vents down there. Electric windows on the doors, Burmester sound system. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats with the Porsche logo on the headrests. Both front seats again are heated, they're also electrically adjustable, controlled down there with the memory function on either side. Carbon fibre effect trim, we have the electric windows, electric mirrors, Burmester sound system. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. It is also electrically adjustable steering wheel. Now if you put our foot on the brake and hold the on button, the vehicle should turn on. So we do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control stalk down there. We have the drive select dial just here. You can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, other than for the range, so nothing to worry about. If we select the different drives, you can see we have Sport, Sport Plus, Individual and also Range. You can also change the look of the dashboard using this dial here, so you can see we can scroll through all these different bits of information which you can have on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, many features on here, you would have seen them all on the photos. We also have the secondary screen for the passenger side. So you can see many features. We've got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, we have the sat-nav navigation, we also have the media options just here, the DAB radio. If we go onto these 3 dots, you find the further features which you can go through just there. Click onto the Burmester, you find the different options we have for the sound system. Click onto the car icon, you'll then find the drive where you can change the chassis. We also have the sound, so you can make it sound more sporty, or you can turn that off. We also have the driver assist, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Now back onto the main menu, we can go further down and find further features just there. We do also have another screen down here, the heat seat buttons either side. We've got the climate control, the ice cold air conditioning. Now we do also have the button just here, which is where you can open the likes of the bonnets or the charging outputs. We also then have the gear select just here. If you put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the 360 view on the right. Put it into drive, changes to the front facing camera. You can also switch between the different options just here on the right for the different cameras. Put it back into park by pressing P with a nice little clock here in the centre. Heads up display as well up here if I haven't mentioned that already. If any of the lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera, it's not flickering in real life. 2 cup holders along with the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.